Hello, everyone. So today I'm going to talk about a free resource that you can use in your classroom. And this resource is really great for your content areas like science and social studies, but also is extremely helpful for your reading groups in reading. So it is Newsela. So it's Newsela like umbrella. And so it's a free site. When you sign up for Newsela, they will give you a free pro trial. And I think that lasts for 30 days. If you really like that trial and you want to keep it, it will cost you money. But honestly, I've been using Newsela for years, and the free site for teachers is actually perfectly fine. So what Newsela does, it's pretty cool, is it is kind of a news source for kids. And so what they do is they take articles that are written in the Associated Press, really reputable newspapers. And so they take those articles and they level them. And the cool thing about Newsela is that they do not level it by just popping it into a computer. They actually have people that work for them that take the article, that read the article, and then they level them personally themselves, which is pretty cool. So this is what it looks like when you go into Newsela. And so you can scroll down and see the current articles. So here's one: teens like their trendy caffeinated drinks, but there are health concerns. Ooh, I should send that to my daughter. Elephants and their wrinkles. We scroll down here. Florida ex-felon behind drive to ease state's voting restriction. Facebook's new normal is behind locked doors in its war room. So if you pick an article, the cool thing is that I can change the Lexile level. So I can change any of these Lexiles. Usually each article has 4 to 5 different Lexile level options. And when you change the Lexile level, it changes the title, and it also changes the words in the text to reach for that Lexile level. Then I can come up here and look at the activities they offer, power words. There's a writing prompt that goes with it and a quiz, or I can create my own assignment. The other cool thing about Newsela is that I can do an advanced search. So I can pick, lower elementary or upper elementary. I can also choose the level. All right, so there's second grade, there's fourth grade. I can also choose the Common Core standard. So let's say I want to do what the text says. And then when I scroll down, I can choose the article that I want. So lollipops, gummies, marshmallows, how different candies are made. It's pretty cool. Another thing that's great about the articles that they choose is that they're high interest for students. And so I can use them for my small groups, but I can also use them for students who are definitely above grade level. So now I've just changed it to be second grade savvy, tells you my word count. Here we go, that's third grade. And then I can actually embed these, link them, or assign them in Schoology to students. So I hope this was helpful. If you go on to YouTube, you also find a lot of like how to. There's a lot of different teachers that use them for writing and specifically for science and social studies and activities there. So you might want to check that out as well. Have a great day.